Hello everyone! Dito tayo sa ating magandang alupi, kasaba. Kaya matbuksan na natin yan guys. Ayan. Charan! Kasaba ala. Alupi na kasaba yan guys. Yummy yummy yan guys. Kasaba na alupi. Enjoy watching tayo sa kasaba alupi guys. Ayan. Kasaba alupi with banana leaves. Ayan guys. Yummy yummy ang bango-bango guys. Yummy, bango-bango. Ang bango talaga guys. Yan. Tapos guys, ilalagay ko na yan siya sa plate. I will put on the plate guys. Look at that. Look at that. Enjoy watching and God bless.